Hi guys, uphila lo. Namhlanje ngifuna sikhulume nge-support and resistance. I remember ukuthi some of the student I had before iyabahlula i-support and resistance, and support and resistance is very important. It's the basic, actually. It's the basics of a price action. It is important it is important for you ukuthi uyazi, because now if ungazi i-support and resistance, it won't be easy for you ukuthi ukwazi identify ama-trades, ukwazi uthola ama-good opportunities, because of you don't know the basics. So now what's important for you as a beginner is to know ukuthi how to identify a support, how to identify a resistance. So now what I will do, I will look for a support and resistance from a higher time frame, of which is gonna be weekly. I'll see ukuthi for a support ngithole ini, for a resistance ngithole ini. Okay, this is our resistance, this is my support. From higher time frame. Okay, this is what I have. So now what I'm expecting, I'm expecting ukuthi i-price njengoba isuke la yeza la, yasuka la, yeza la, yasuka la, yabuyela la. And now, okay, let me move away from the topic here today. I want to show you something. This is what makes you outstanding when you trade. This is what makes you outstanding. Look at this. How do you know the price is a up? You just put this and wait for the price to come back here. It will twice before it take over. It will la to this. Okay, let's remove this. I just want to show you this to trade. What am I expecting now? I'm expecting the price to come back here. As I'm expecting the price to come back here, with the price is oyesha. Look at this. We have a trend line here. The trend line is tested several times. If we were to go to smaller time frame, like, let me check from monthly if I'll be able to see it tested how many times. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. And you know it once yanga tested so many times, iba invalid, be valid. What I'm expecting now, I'm expecting the price to come back here, and eventually it's a downtrend, but nevertheless you'll see as we go forward. So since we're explain a price action, not price action per se, since I want to explain support and resistance, I want you to know ukuthi uyibona ngani support and resistance. Look at this. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. When as a trader, as soon as you ubona into kanje, it's 1 and 2, eventually you must expect the price to come back and test here. Ibuyile futhi yenze ini testile again. Yehla yabuya la. And from here it created this. It created this. So you see it's support and resistance. What makes this a resistance is what happened previous. What makes this a support, it's what happened previous. Eventually when the price gets back here to the same line, what's going to happen? It will drop. Look at what happened. It went down to the trend line. As soon as the price get back to the same line, what happened? It went down before it escalated appears. Those are the concepts that we understand about a trend line. What do you, no, not trend line, I mean a support and resistance. When as a trader you must know how to draw a trend line. It will be easy for you to ama trades. So now what we have here, we have support and resistance here. It's 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. But seyimoshekile breakekile lana, but eventually in future it might come back, but angeke strong as it was before. But angeke isaba strong the way we strong corner before. It's useless for us to put it here, so so now sizobheka currently. What do we have? Remember, we have a major support and resistance, then we have a minor. Minors are those eswathola inside a trend. As you know, which the price is going down, hence I said from analyzing the higher time frame, look at this resistance, resistance, resistance. What are you expecting now? The price to go down, isn't it? Okay, fine. Look at this. It's 1, it's 2, it's 3, is Obiela 84. It might also come back here before yehlela phansi. Okay, fine. Let's go to H4 and see ukuthi ku H4 sizothola. Remember, kunale video bengikhuluma leya last week, ngikhulume ama different time frames. This is what I'm doing. I go to smaller time frame, I go to higher time frame, then ngehle ngayo from higher time frame to smaller time frame. I started from weekly and I also went to monthly to check something. Now what I'm going to do, now the price will just go up and test here, then izoyehlela phansi. Mina into engiyenzako yini, ngifuna ama sell opportunities phela. All I'm gonna look for are sell opportunities. All I'll be doing is sell. Sell, 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 sell. Hell. You don't buy when the price is going down. Look at this. Look at this. That's a good sign that indicates that the price is going down. If you know how to trade, you'll see what I'm talking about. It's a good example of what's this thing, a head and shoulder. This is our neckline. This is our neckline here. Then we have right shoulder, we have left shoulder, we have a head. One. It's a good opportunity. Think of this. If you sold it here, also now how many pips from where the price is now. Flip. Let me go to higher time frame so that I can do in the 8ly. Okay, how many pips? And the price is still going down. Up our trading, guys, we wait. For you to make a lot of money, you need to wait. Believe me, you need to wait so that you can make a lot of money. But if you can't wait, you're not gonna make it. If when ungakwazi ukubegezela, then you won't survive in this game. Make sure that you teach yourself how to wait, because now if you know ukuthi i-price izobuyela, yeka yonke lento le, yeka yonke lento le. If you don't have much experience, ibuyile price la. Think of this, uyiselile la, yehla bongayiboni, yabuya back la, still awukakaluzi anything. Uyiselile yenzeni price, the price is going down now. You did not lose anything. Bafethu lento ningayenzi ibe complicated. It is very, very simple. Now sine special bafethu, i-price yethu is 750. Special sethu siyaphela manje month end. So if you miss this one up, the price is increase bafethu to 1.5 to 2,000. So now if sizoba ne special sethu is going to be 1,000. So now make sure that you like and subscribe, and make sure that you don't forget to click the ring bell. Ungakwazi ukuthi uphuthelwe